everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you to all my subscribers for your ongoing support and encouragement, and hello and welcome to any new subscribers. If you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's jump into today's video. I've got about 20 minutes before I'm going to go pick up my son from school and take him to a checkup at the orthodontics. I'm pretty sure everything's all good, but he had one about 6 months ago and they said to bring him for a free follow-up to make sure he's all good and won't need anything done to his teeth, which I'm 99% sure he doesn't. Today's video is Happy Mail. This just come in the mail and I thought I'm going to do it ASAP because I can't wait any longer. So if you know this packaging, you already know who this beautiful Happy Mail is from, and it is from the beautiful Freya at Budgie Budgets, which is gone mad. Everyone has gone mad for her stuff, which is a good thing. It's helping support a small Australian business, and I'm all for it. Oh, look at the cute little stickers. A little rainbow and what looks to be a hedgehog, not hedgehog, porcupine, echidna, one or the other. And her little thank you card and one of her freebie minis, which I love these. I gave them their own envelope because I absolutely love her little mini freebies she throws in. So there are 30 coins. Fill up your piggy bank. How stinking cute. Thank you, Freya, and that is her details if you do not know who she is yet. All right, I don't even know what I've ordered. I just kept chucking things in my my order. Poor Freya. I just kept messaging her. I'm like, oh, can you do me this? Oh, I forgot. Can you add this? Oh, beautiful. Oh, I forgot I ordered that one. All right, so first up, I have a pink envelope for household. Oh, that's cute. And these are the new envelopes. These ones, that's for my future home binder. These ones are for the self-care binder. So I've got shopping, whitening, which will be for teeth whitening, and hair laser, because I've got one for waxing, but I want one for laser just in case, again, the girls as they get older. And withdrawal, I just wanted this to put in my wallet so when I get cash out the bank, I have a withdrawal envelope. So they're the envelopes. I hope that's all in frame. We're going to go with this one because I think this is going to be trackers. Have beautiful packaging. Oh, no, that's the challenges. I don't want that one yet. We'll come back to that one. All right. I got a couple more fully funded placeholders because they're absolutely beautiful. Nice and minimalistic, which I love. So I ordered 5 of them. Yes, 5. And then trackers. We've got hair laser. I don't even know what icon she chose. I just trust her. We've got teeth whitening, retail therapy. And then I ordered a couple for my different binders. So I've got life insurance, excess. Oh, that's cool. State of origin, Anzac Day, bucket list, camping, and day trips. All them icons are spot on. I couldn't have chose any better than what she has. I've got an itchy nose. I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. All right. I think I'm done. Probably not. I'm probably still going to do a couple more. All right. Last little package. Oh, came out of nowhere. Didn't even have time to pause. How cute. I'm going to pause. Oh my God, I apologize, guys. When I start sneezing, that's it. So first little challenge I ordered was Save My Digits, and this was by far the best phone. Absolutely loved how you have to press the buttons multiple times for a letter. You had basic, you had to record if you wanted some music. You had to just get your recorder up. Freaking Snake 3310, Nokia 3310. And I used to love taking off the cover and putting like a paper insert in behind it. Making my own phone cover. Save a Gotchi. Super cute. And then I saw these on her new release and I was all for it. I had to pick one and then I'm like, you know what? I'll pay the extra. Give me all four. So we've got cupcakes and sprinkles, which is each sprinkle you can save your own amount. Twister, you just roll the color die, color in your little circles. Save the Rainbow, another dice color roll game. Very simple numbers too, so easy to do. And not the gumdrop buttons. Little Gingy and his gumdrop buttons. So they are all super cute. So how awesome is all this stuff? Thank you, Freya. Let's put the challenges fully funded to the side and let's get these where they got to go, because I've got to go get my baby boy. I got an itchy nose now. All right, so the self-care binder. We are putting all of these trackers in here. So we'll go waxing. And then we will go hair laser, a beauty, nails, and then we'll put teeth whitening and retail shopping up the back. And then you're going to get that glare, so I do apologize. We need these three. So retail therapy, teeth whitening, and hair laser. And I do have some money up the front of the binder that I already put aside for them. But I won't colour it in on camera now. I'll do that off camera. So we're going to do 20 in hair laser. We'll do 20 in whitening. And 25 in retail shopping. Because that is self-care. A little bit of splurging. And then we've got our fun binder, which is day trips, camping, and bucket list. And then our annuals, we've got Anzac Day, and we've got State of Origin. They look awesome. Then we've got the last two, which are life insurance and excess. So that is it for them. Now what we are going to do is take out, where is it? Oh, I already took it up. In our future home binder, we are going to take this envelope out. I'll put it in here to remind me. and we're going to swap it with a beautiful pink one. And this is just anything we need for around the house. And that doesn't need a tracker because money will be coming in and out of that. And that is it. I'm going to put all the rest of the minis and the challenges away in my challenge drawer. Put the withdrawal thing back in my wallet. Super cute. And that's it from me today. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching today's Happy Mail video. And make sure to hit like and subscribe. Would really appreciate it having you along on my journey. And make sure to hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload. Alright guys, have a beautiful day and stay tuned because my tax video should be coming up very soon. Alright, bye guys.